brand new one from Diana Hamilton.
Loving kindness
Adom.
and mercy
Adom.
brought me through.
Adom.
So
The essence of my praise
is
is centered on your grace. Hey, Adom, I don't know.
Adom. Could not have made it without you.
And it's wrong to say, I'm here, Adom, the money pay or the phone. Or bread you muddy and fabbing capo. Hey.
Papa, your loving kindness and grace and mercy brought me through. So the essence of my faith.
Hi, Adom 106.3 FM. Dwaso Nsem Jumedi no asugu so awutie. Me dey your say bonsu from you be. Me tell my chief Jerry Force. And so when you me to a bomade na to be the echi. And you me adumunti and the wo ho. The essence of our praise is centered on the grace of God. And maybe I make say I am a product of grace. I don't know about you though.
My test is now a testimony. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace.
And the first big interview be bremo. Mini ano matna say ye de napos so beto am so. And mention in so my.
It was you, my soul.
But when him say Enra finance minister Eco Parliament Adom Nsem Eco Kotudwa and orchestra members of parliament so man ekwan na aban enhwe na free January ekosi March 2021 metre next year aban and as a parliament enhwe man ekwan na onko spend be 27 billion Ghana cedis, 27 billion Ghana cedis. And yanemo be come na ya share details of that statement Enra or the call parliament. And ojina mraso ena okokodi sa dwumedie no Enra it is a osha constitution ni mu article 180. Article 180, and I think standing orders of parliament and so standing order 145 Emma finance minister ekodi dwumedia Enra okokodi because unim say afibia no November into way saying this year election year anka November ye babe remi e was a finance minister ko parliament and the budget statement for next year 2021 echo. But because of election year ntino ontimi enni say adwuma no ba ontimi ni dwuma no unim sese ye to abawie bia na yewura afifufuro mu a aban obeba foforo no e de ne budget echo March of the new year into way no next year aban bia obeba no March and now the budget for 2021 ebeko but I was say aban so edi dwuma a free January ekokosi March. Now this year, so yentimi for budget enko because the election year no, and then I'm so my finance minister echo parliament. Now wakwa straight parliament so man kwan na a free March, a free January, ekosi March 2021 no. On hwe no mfa bibi nkoto parliament anim na man kwan na onfa eni dwuma nti ho dwuma na Enra finance minister ekokodi no but in terms of the breakdown expenditure breakdown hona in komo bebre na aba ewo ho in the ebehwe ne yedi san komo no en anope nti mo ncha ne nso mfa mayen
I've been through a lot but grace sustained me. My test is now a testimony.
Bansana, yeah, the first big interview ever bremo no mamemfa newspaper headlines no intwem emamutel na afi yentumi and twaso nti sa share Daybreak newspaper I'll say NDC locks up leaders, angry supporters share party property. Wow. And measure pictures of why Swami constituency NDC in the Ashanti region. Also, HEPIC is behind us. There is no turning back for Riata finance minister in some of the Atujano. And we can't become complacent in COVID-19 fight. Akufo Addo. Enti, when you say we Daybreak newspaper no emu. Se Osha Daily Graphic and Nimunsua. Ekase graphic launches Ashanti Regional Spotlight today. Anes Kofi Bedu Ehonsem Waha. MDA's debt owed VRA cleared. And a government to spend 27.4 billion Ghana cedis covers up to March 2021. 2021. Nina ewo daily graphic. And you be come near the details no Abremo. Chronicle newspaper and so say epic economic mismanagement are behind us. Oforiata tells Parliament. And a reduce take or pay burden on economy. Osafumafo urges VRA. And a VRA launches 60th anniversary. Fraudster impersonate Kofi Boache to put up a story building. Hey. And the fraudster were tough. Daily Guide newspaper also say, please invite two Odododio candidates. And our information minister shreds Ghana US elections forecast. Adom Nsem ewaha. Government requests 27.4 billion in post-election budget. And a government lauds VRA's effort. Don't underrate COVID-19. Adom Nsem ewa Daily Guide newspaper. And name Ghanaian Times and so say, budget for Q1 2021, government requests 27.4 billion to carry out programs, activities from January to March next year. And a president condemns NPP NDC violent clash at Odododio. A book on coronavirus launched. Wow, that's really good. Will resort to smart, responsible borrowing to address unsustainable debt regime. And this in Sema Amonso di Atuya and Enra lawyer Sami Jemfi a press conference on the debt situation in our country or in Semnina Etuja. Business Finder and him government targets 5.7% growth, pledges to revitalize, transform economy, and support us to excel and AFCFTA. AGI and so on some of the and a boost for planting for food and jobs initiative. Business Finder and him. The new crusading guide says Finance Minister cracks Mahama, says EPIC is behind us, no turning back. Adom family secures judgment over Krokrobite, Langma and Tuba land. And a Paul Chum Berema Lord Akofado for passing petroleum hub bail. Nina new crusading guide at the Abba. And there's another story, page 10. Also, NDC chairman and 99 executives defect to MPP. Daily Dispatch newspaper and so say Tampuli to retain Gushegu for MPP. And okay, focus on Joy FM's Israel Liar. Nina Daily Dispatch and name Obu on sexual activity and prostate cancer. And 200,000 abortions. Hey! Recorded in Ghana in 2017. Abba. Your friend is saying, Awana, what a story. 200,000 abortions recorded in Ghana in 2017. Hey! By Yankomoa, for Joy Yankomoa was here, Edi. It's worrying. I mean, 200,000. What it means, they say 200,000 lives lost in 1 year. It's terrible. It's really, really terrible. And especially Ghana, also a conservative country, you know. Na Nioma be say it's worrying. I was saying to me, Eddie. Nioma I accounted for Sadi teenage pregnancy in our air costro, and I say it feed into the general economic situation in our country. A man for intimation kola bebrina enye ready. A man for I mean it's a conversation we should have. Into Daily Dispatch, we'll come back to this story. It will page 2 of the Daily Dispatch newspaper. Over Daily Statement, so anymore. Ghana and US 2020 elections have no similarities. No turning back. Ken Oforiatta urges Ghanaians to reject incompetent leaders. And Akufo-Addo has cleared 2.6 billion Ghana cedis Mahama debt to VRA, says Osafo Mafo. Nina Ewa. And Ewutu Senya NDC chairman, executives defect to MPP. Yeah, some more. The Inquisitor newspaper. Bitter, sad, but true. Ghana's debt beyond epic. NDC exposes government. And a Dr. Opuni trial. AG's witness discredits state's doctored evidence. And a distortion of fact against Mahama is biting you. Tepe tells Bawumia. The Heritage, a Daily Heritage, and so say school owners, parents applaud NDC for plans to include private schools in free senior high school. Social media attacks on churches demoralizing. Bishop Taki Yaboy Nsem Ewaha. ABC News Gordon Asaribediako, good morning to you. ABC newspaper and so say Obitibelamte interchange 92% complete. Creating equal opportunities. Baumia questions Mahama. NDC wishing happy on Ghana again. Ufori Ata Adom Nsem ABC newspaper and him. The Ghanaian publisher Mahama is not Biden. Upon Nkrumah, he has overwhelmingly he was overwhelmingly rejected by voters in 2016. Biden wasn't. Airtel Tigo transfers ownership to Ghana government. Nina Honsemoha Akufo-Addo will be retained. Abdul Malik Kwekubakon on also Adom Nsem way to Jadeli Searchlight. Ghana is not epic. Past economic mismanagement behind us. Hey, newspaper has been so about yes, Supreme newspaper. Q1 2021 budget, no turning back to epic. Nina Business and Financial Times and also Ufuriata asked for 27 billion financing for quarter 1 in 2021. When and some newspapers no the aba enti yebehwe na yetimi akomunhya nenso emfa emayen Dwaso Nsem so ne ha Adom 106.3 FM and na catch them say Article 180 of the Constitution, our Finance Minister, Ejina, so at the budget statement, they call Parliament and Rano, say where it appears to the President that the Appropriation Act in respect of any financial year will not come into operation by the beginning of that financial year, he may, with the prior approval of Parliament, by a resolution, authorize the withdrawal of monies from the consolidated fund for the purpose of meeting expenditure necessary to carry on the services of the government in respect of the period expiring 3 months from the beginning of the financial year or on the coming into operation of the act, whichever is earlier. And the Constitution is quite clear on Jumedia Enra, Finance Minister Eko Kodie. In the end, the first big interview ebe bremo ba ansana na yebeba studio na afei yede naposo no etumi atoa moso mamenkai mo se naposo no Duraplast, where Duraplast goes water flows. Vodafone, the future is exciting, ready, and a Pan-African savings and loans also quick afa Agbeve Herbal Center, Wire Safie, latest form your partner for life. Bellaqua Active, stay true to originality. And a Vivo smartphones, stunning design, superior quality. And in Mekwe me de naposo ebremo enono. And the Emra studio na afi yemfa and komono ensheshe. So while we wait for the first big interview, and Timonshan and so emfa emaye. Akwa ba yekoye. Voice in the war from and as a mic in the war from which is which. Bibi aboko. Oh, okay. You don't know if free how a mic name and father.
My voice in the fact me yakre mood.
Yes.
Then I me throw phone so at me just good morning, Sam. I'm patch on me so.
Oh, yeah, madam.
Was me in the mood. Mentanya.
Asamo.
Mentanya, men tanko from.
What is the Enra? Me was studio we could see says man tise na nsuo tosa how ansa na later nkofo be catch him say nsuo to no ese wani ensa wo catch minim area etesen
me de me area mete de nyame adom me ko haida ya meta haida no nsu tobre sebe ya me hunu eho no continental equilibrium some ka continental equilibrium no ane
Jim FM
Nyame ya wadom no flood in shada amabe
Deb me area mete pa de
otie sika fom
mentie sika fom sa de ba mentie hia fonsu
hone ho no middle income
no me mentie sika fom na me so mentie hia fom and me so de me se me ko haida na meta hai ni so tobrem enti so tobrem ne de eden ya wuduru ho no ma senkyere ni bi beyi ne ho na mom obi ubetumi ko haida o industrial area no ha sei wadwene maso se ho no enso betumi afa wo na nura se de enso ne je nkrofo ho no de minim de kwam na dan kope wontem wo sa abre no
wow
mama mfa ho mama wo say wa use salon card de memfa
ho
enti ebetumi ato bi ade
and videos will be sending ye every your friend yes your friend Ashiaman in the Ashiaman Ashama no me ko bo Ashama no bisi yanka na Ashama
bra ye kana Ashama no bia nim so ka Ashama o ka Ashama
okay me linguistics lecture back wa kan de na you know say no or say phonetics yanka na say wa no say me hayo
Ashiaman
me no na
monim
Ashiaman
katamanso
kokrobite
kokrobite and Ashiaman Katamanso. Now, videos if you buy when you answer catch. Yes, damn you on a damn the bufaso. Over 200 houses in Sua Fenina. Bamude me by you don't come here, meba. My men Kwahomane so Emra, Dwaso Nsem high Adom 106.3 FM. Dr. Mark Asibeya Boa, chairman of the Finance Committee in Ghana's Parliament. Me no any komo na yen Dwaso doc. Yemo akwaba eba Dwaso Nsem so bibi abokode. Yeah, Danyamiase. And then we from Kakra Mestre will be Pija Unimama Yen. Kakra Enra, Yenim Finance Minister Eba Munim Ewa Parliament Ede in Sembia Babetum and him say Mumwan and Amunin Tumna 27 billion Ghana cedis only means spending between January and March 2021. It is kind a usual and I say a unusual development.
Really celebrate no Parliament, the top your constitution, Article 180. Say President, say budget, Juma finish last year, January, not the budget number into effect. Yeah, you have to be a fair expenditure, authorization for the first 3 months of the year. In June, if this is starting a democratic dispensation, the Koto about MPP name GD pass MPP be winning. Nemo means to be MPP be winning. MPP programs and our budget number. We are called election. The last 2016 election year, Minister said at the time about 10 billion. I'm a very question for the first 3 months of the year. You know, the minister when you saw your constitution, Article 180.
Oh, okay. And see, say, we no is in Chaya. Brunibeka said the devil is in the detail. And they say, may call into the presentation of Finance Minister Ebabeye and the request, so we should break down expenditure wise, a compensation of employees, and we are 7 billion plus. Use of goods and services 1.5 billion, interest payment 7 billion, subsidies 259 million, grants to other government units 4.3 billion, social benefits 41 million, other expenditure 813 million, capital expenditure 1.9 billion. It is a major capital expenditure. Now may they compare, for example, interest payment. Any amortization in so 3.4 billion. And debt service and inquano over 10 billion. The aircon to capital expenditure 1.9 billion. And you're worrying, Kakra, me pato.
Worrying, essence, interest. Oh, because about it, and amortization also retire, Bessiani B. Interest payments, if you are what Bessiano, and amortization, retire, Bessiani B. Now, we are MPP, about 2017. They can down 922 billion. The President Kufuor for doing the answer, member Bessiani being count at 20% every year, interest 24 billion on the 122. In 4 years, without doing anything, interest payments inquire on the 122 billion MPP inherited, almost 100 billion Ghana cedis. I don't know in the first 3 months, amortization and interest payments in Kwano, Minister requested 10 billion. It could have even been more had it not been for moratorium, be a little deferral of debt payments because of COVID. It would have been more. That's also the compensation of employees for the first 3 months, an interest payment in the ratio of 1:1. Every Ghanaian should be worried. These are huge debts like that from 2016. Mind you, when President Kufuor was exited, there 9.5 billion Ghana cedis. It's by the same logic. President Mills and President Mahama go for the arms so there. You get Bobby Shani Bikran Kawa. And I can hear that Ghana making 20%. And after 8 years, would have only added 16 billion, moving from 9.5 to about 26. But where did we end up? Instead of 9.5 billion, they could drop 122. I don't know how about you, but yeah, I think so. Okay, financial sector cleanup. We've paid almost 22 billion to depositors. And any recklessness, any post provision, the government has had to pay another 22 billion to depositors. Then you throw in the COVID-related expenditure, and so the Bobby Shabi so Utia means now retire principal.
Yeah, but the other point in Son is so we share 122 billion amobabeto yena. Sisia we are doing around 157 billion. Additional 130 billion akwakoye increase in the debt stock no. E musay na ye actual loans are monsomo baye maji, and then we can analyze the figures no way. E musay na ye loans are maji.
Me quite say debt expires on Obia the become.
Yes.
Then I'm call to President Kufuor say 9.5 billion.
Yes.
You know, you say okay, we disaggregate this and all can now say okay, at 20% interest every year. Then you can quickly say so after 8 years, yeah, debt time is that 2 years. I say so about before that's it will be down yeah, apply the same year. That's what they will be paying on the debt. But that 122 is getting to about 100 billion. Then you throw in about 25 billion, 22 billion that has gone to you pay off depositors.
Yes.
You know, so we have called by many analysis. Now can just say that everything the account real addition to the debt is just about 20 billion.
Okay, into real addition to the debt, no, the MPP the account about 20 billion Ghana cedis.
Yes.
Okay, and the account because when him say some of the loans and so the previous administration AJ mona mobile draw down, no, nina eka momumre increase in debt stock now,
absolutely. Into that bank because the MPPA contract is you draw down.
Yes.
All the loans you hear about this week, I mean, Ubako floor 125 million World Bank facility for provision of toilets and sanitation, the Kumasi area. You draw down. It will be drawn down completely in 6 years. I don't know. I'm not bringing in the MPP about this year. I'm going to make the research analysis not to that addition. That 20 billion America will be what has been drawn down from the previous that were contracted.
Yeah. But my other worry, Doc, and I say, going forward, there is this whole big conversation around debt sustainability. Of course, meaning say, oh yeah, debt sustainability analysis now. Share just the debt to GDP in Kwa. Overshare about 6 other factors that they are account. For example, interest payments and the yedin komoi, revenue mobilization, which is key. And IMF account, I read the October 2020 IMF document on the ABBA Sub-Saharan Africa post-COVID, how you basically recover and they make the point say one thing that was a Sub-Saharan African government a revenue mobilization and a digitalization of their economies. So your revenue mobilization targets in Yinano, you miss it because ideally and also ultimately just cover 25% of your GDP. We are doing around 14% and which is way low. And you to raise your revenues and 2 And then you be going forward and so to limit the rate of borrowing. Said you be young coin to levels we would have no option than to go back to HEPIC.
HEPIC, they don't call HEPIC because people want HEPIC, let's say we are poor county. We are lower middle income county. HEPIC per se, they can't call HEPIC, regardless of which party is in power. We are highly indebted, so there's the talk of debt distress. Now, evidence all day revenue look like this December. We are just around 13% of our GDP revenue. In the sub-region, sub-region average is about 16%. What I said, and the optimal level you want to be operating, you said anywhere between 22 to 25%. That is the power. Now, let's say you're over 13%. Now, you do 25, and let's say you double your revenue.
Yes.
Revenue, your policy side. Are you going to introduce new tax measures? For instance, the Ghanaian tax rate has been overburdened with taxes. In 2017, MPP policy, all manner of nuisance taxes. So now, what taxes now? Ultimately, the production will be spread. In the form of corporate income taxes. But we all know the challenges are also, especially in 2020.
Yeah.
Then there's the compliance side. Compliance. When you be or see minimum penny, you are quickly the Caribbean, won't share the duty the West. You cover could be over here now, so then that on the VAT receipt that won't have that also into the compliance. We want to enforce compliance measures now. That one is alone should take care of about 18% of GDP. Meaning, the loopholes now, you pay tax. You pay tax or money, GI, taxpayers identify just about 1.3 million Ghanaians. And we need to even in there, the right taxes, I think that the nation is built with taxes. If everybody is doing their better, we have to enforce the filing of taxes. So by April of each year, there should be a filing of taxes. I think a lot of people are not doing that. Then, under declaration, it has to be tough. We have to address all your tough. Now, because to think of first time, we are saying, this threat of election, but we have to begin to enforce compliance measures and the revenues now control borrowing ultimately and also apart from.
But the other thing, Doc, apart from say policy issues, new tax handles and compliance, Obi Subeka say it was here expenditure because now me share Enra Finance Minister statement, it is also on the point number 33. Mr. Speaker, for the purposes of the 2021 expenditure in advance of appropriation, we have projected the 2021 first quarter total revenue and grant at 13.3 billion Ghana cedis, while total expenditure, including the clearance of arrears, is projected at 24 billion. And this results in the projected fiscal deficit of 10.7 billion for the period. And the question will be able to say, how do we fund 10.7 billion? Finance Minister MIA proposal say, Obasai Ako onto the capital market as you are view. And a vicious cycle and still continuing. Your expenditure, I didn't to me empty expenditure so you.
In your lifetime, done a running deficit, and it's not going to stop anyone soon. Thank you. We did it, we might have already, but after 6 Ghana has always been running deficit. Everybody said you better running deficit. It has a revenue, it's tracking your expenditure. Expenditure, so we're aligning expenditure, aligning into now only stay earlier on. Compensation of employees 7.7 over
yes.
Over that will be so there are 7.7 billion interest payment where they assess social interest. So statutory payments will be 4 point something, and they could DAC, National Health Insurance, Get Fund, and over anything.
Now compensation of employees, no. Yen to me, staff rationalization and share your numbers, no. Is the public sector overbloated? Maybe a government appointees war. What are the numbers? Can't we get into the details and look at the numbers, Bill?
Yeah. See a call into fund program. Now, so you see public sector a freeze on employment. Meanwhile, you see that they are areas and you can component tickets. Then you need to say a call, high into the public sector. Now you are sooner than later, then we exit those programs. We say no, the public sector workers will do 700,000. Oh, Ghana has it. Now, okay, the state of unemployment, are you going to lay people off? Additionally, public sector workers, oh, man, community is not okay. Can you take any can you do? Can you take them home? If you know, there are things that are unavoidable. Yeah, it can be an English. If you revenue, you know, I say you push by a sanitary. So the head number here are bad rules that need to be fixed. Provision of water, extension of electricity, critical provision of security. Yes, sanitary, okay, man can cope with that. But your revenue in the whole form, and I'm an ISN, you know, number 1 revenue, number 2 revenue, number 3 revenue. As a consumer and as a household, holding out income now, okay. Maybe our income now because we income may determine the spending. If you do our say, hey, make me a second business here now, and I say make me move on to a better job that increases my income. But for the government, so your revenue.
But revenue, no doc, and you are an economist, I am not, say, share basic economics and you see our senior high school, say, Ube improve government revenue, Ubeka say, are you investing in the productive sectors of the economy? Expand the economy, and I'm a government revenue basket in Sweden. I expand it. So, me share even breakdown of expenditure, and the finance minister, the Koyana. Capital expenditure, into baby, this share. Build the economy, grow up, and your project be just 1.9 billion. What they compare compensation, for example, interest payment, for example, grants to other government units, for example, Nina was saying capital expenditure. So how do you grow the economy and increase government revenue?
I agree, but for starters, because this is not a proper budget per se, you couldn't have committed to capital spending because we need president in this thing for the next term. So it is 1.9 now for capital expenditure. Primarily, your capex spending automatic. A new government comes, where they renovate bungalows, your total cars programming that for the from government agencies. Real investment as a way, so that I say, abiding the PCR, but okay, maybe going to planting for food and jobs. You see warehouses, we are not there yet. That number, no, it looks small because it has to be small in the current circumstance.
No, but to be fair, Doc, the Osha previous budgets, CAPEX to GDP has been on the decline. That's what the numbers say.
Yes, I was just explaining that way there. 1.9 and you know administer the debate. And but overall, capital expenditure as a percentage of GDP is over around 6%. You are not boosting the productive sectors of the economy because so if you fix the roads, property not our values cost from. So that they can take bypass or Burma country. No, now you can't even buy land over there. You know how 60 routes now it brings the whole. If you extend water, electricity, something what I cannot make about water, electricity, roads, and then public safety. Those for me are critical because in the other hinterlands, how do we catch them to the main cities. And we have to be spending on infrastructure. The government is talking about 100 billion cares program. The government recognizes to get to the next level, there has to be some big stimulus, what I say, investment package, and that's the 100 billion the government is talking about. No agenda 111, providing different hospitals in all of these. To the idea that there has to be a boost in infrastructure spending to spread the economy.
Doc, my nasi I'm running to do best, but one thing I found curious in the statement was government growth projections for 2021 say you will grow by 5.7%. More target and you're ambitious, Dodo.
And you're ambitious. The program, so this case program now, there's going to be a capex investment spending. I know that air drivers are. So other things, it could even be more if we are able to roll out program. Mind you, hopefully the FPK repays by March there will be a new budget. The last one in 2017 was on 2nd March. By early March there will be a new budget. So if you get this budget in place early on, now start to really programs as expected. Then I can see us doing better than 5.7. Already their projections say because the COVID has not hit us that hard, we should be getting back to normal times sooner than later.
Dr. Mark Asibe Yeboah, my nasi anope bibiani ebesi ababidi nkomobio. Why?
Yeah, Mr.
Yeah, that's it, Panyamisha. Inti Dr. Mark Asibe Yeboah, a chairman of the Finance Committee in Ghana's Parliament, or a sitting member of Parliament with New Joabin South constituency, Ewokoforidia in the Eastern region. And I'm no AD and community. The no Akuya Akwaba na eteseng
Adom
Ekoye ma ode
ehun nwuma na eyi dine atwa no ehun nwuma na
Dina Hamilton oye too much
oye bruta wana kai oye bruta na nyum no de ba wo hu oti achi na wo hu se obenya bibia firi
yeah.
Planning and son or the about and really
it's a good song. I mean, solid. So, or Pentecost neighbor, it doesn't get any better than that.
Dickness.
Oh, sir.
Possible. Just a UK for no, and just a UK for no.
But the names are the papaya. Apostle, the late Apostle F.E. Entry.
Apostle Entry. But who say a Jum Unya da Jibom Pie na Unya, a top why you,
of course.
And so we are just saw the Pessy Camcoa, and also a top what it's me, say, and Cham, the out.
Oh, okay.
Me the barco.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Even though say a modia, by major permission.
Oh, okay.
Mamma Dawo. Mura mamenye de
Samba badebio
obi mamenye de na be sai fa de bio mira
branza na mi free one
mamenye de
o mi ti no kra nya ate
Jesus minka sema
ya producer o ya producer
where's I'm ready
producer ma oh
me kasama brabo mana montu minda when ni when you nyomezo
mamenye dawo
oh no here we are too much me I'm a producer
oh you're producer you are best you're producer
me I'm a producer
yeah them yeah be ko kakan kakra
me I'm a producer we are a producer
ne be dia ni CD obi won say na wo ka bibi fa enra na esi wo
yeah Ashaman
area ho
yeah say Ashaman Katamanso
yene nipa ni bi kasa anwumre no on burning issues na wunim even though say nsuo no form no we are not ready to move ena nipa so a frɛ ye kasa ye nyina no yesi assembly na wo honom no nye so omunya we say amanfo asidan na nsuo kwan mu omo ya we nad mo pani ne kasa ye say ya ma recommendation say ye mubu adan no but esisi ho
Ashaman hwa
sa yipon Katamanso area honom baby a dam ni bu ye
oh okay
omo si akiri honom
no am building waterways wo ho
oh man ba kwa wono ye ne kasa ye se eja baby a wotie no nsuo na bua for se oh we de anwea bi ne gu on be sa anwea na wi a okay se ya nyensi yo na se obi me na mesi dan no na baby esi ne nye e wosi edwiri gu a we have to do that because nipa ba ko ni nti no edom ma wo ho nyina enra wo hu se na nka nipa wo fi ankenye wotie report e ban na nipa bebre ni fie se na dodo na wo fi a school for nkwala no kra no omo a ya ma omo kwa omo ko school no yesi e de bebre akogu baabi se na sa nkwala wo nyina wo ho a you can imagine.
There was a report back when me tell ya me re ho ye ne say apparently one of the houses na maame ne papa ne kwa adwuma nti nkwala ne wo fie e na nsuo na ba ho e na nkwala na ba betena wall ne so omo betena wall ne so na nipa ni nyina so gube 200 meters away nti nkwala nkwa na te wall ne so a omo twen say rescue team ne beba akwako yi nkwala de won aba ena na me bom pae se we sanka wall ni bu a because nsuo ni bu wall be bregu from nti omo wall ni bu ya nkwala mienu
omo wu because wall na wote so no e bia no so crash akam enti enyaje gim nkwala na wu eso akukudu na wo hwe dan na wo area ho no enya dan fu
dabi
edan ye nipa spendiska wasi abosan ye to aso nan baby odi akosi nenye enti asase no woto ne sen na saa area ho na apese osi saa abrosan to aso nan ye mi ayeto asase no ye nwi ye ho town planning for a disappoint yen assembly for a disappoint yen enra na go woman ne sen ye kwatwa ho stop work kra na omu si what is this who kwatwa ho stop work na omu si a wo wadwuma ne se kwatwa ho stop work na nipa ni si a the next action ne ye den
obebu etrogu ba Ghana ha ya nso na se wonya minister bi na osore said the road minister sorry ekobu amanfo dan a ye na papa ko ye gidi do minister ben na bibia kiki e wo so wonya
onwini nipa ye ne to abama mo ene ye to abama mu ye na ene ye obi ya ba bedru ba bia ye ne ye to abama mo ye beto atia mo ye ne ye to abama mo ye beto atia mo nti enne no wo bi ya de bone a obi entumi nsechira asem nka obi entumi nyina ne nanso sa de wo yi a wo ye woto aba ma me kro mebu agu ne nka ene eyi galamse ya sa bedru ba bia ye we make us say na na do kro de ne presidency eto ho sese no kranti e beto betia na so ne hwede ekoso spenters on say moto we na chi ho o maka ho na fra spenters akomo no that area ho no na obi se udru ho no mo a me refi se metimi kai asore ne din boy a kai be hu area kra me kire no wo bi atumi lane na da ho no a ho no eye street mu no obi se ada plot to be ho no wa 20 wa to wall fa ho nyina nte se street ni ho biem udru ba bi apem eno no ato wall afa ho nyina se enti me ko me ko drum se na enti nipa ya wo to wall wono ahwe se de street na mu ye bei no abetu foundation wase wo to nto no anka se wo gina ho a ede no hu enso se wo city authorities a e wo so wo mo hye ese sa wo so nyina ye bebu agu ene ade wo betena wa manipa kro no sifie no dan na si wawie ansa enti chese wo juri
na me ka say bi say wo wa ko report to am assembly mpanimfo say oh woman we your woman fichi ha no ye say ha say ma yensi agyanan no a titidie ni bi won kran ha biu wasi bi nti mesra mo mehwe nka na onwiri mu na onye ne foforo wo ko assembly panin be na obo na mane say lady we yote ha no ena be bo charge say etu de pekakra bra na anyi ofiri wa then woman na ban o ka say me ubetimi ama ya ye. So you can imagine nipa no a ye tua ne ka abonya adwuma no ono wayi aban na ma
wayi aban na ma me ne patience tete minim say ono ne the same woman enra mo ne di nkomo a patience tete deputy director of NADMO e wo kpon katamanso ma ye ne no eni nkomo na ye nhwe the latest ene anope one other thing so a ye nhwe nka ye se enya ba waterways yenkobu amanfo dan nipa o ma permit e ma yesi dan no na otoje bosom ya ketua madam tete akwaba Dwaso Nsem so ni wa Adom FM na apom te sen
nyame adom boko na nso
nyame adom enti anope se mo kan adan a insuo afa ewo pon katamanso a numbers be saying
means me and can't see number do say, but there can communities need abo my then there were about 1,000.
About 1,000.
Yes, about
and insure fanning na.
I'm partially.
Enti nipa was our dynamics is here as we speak.
To drama, any omukasa, bimu, so family member, bet me a call, Obincha or down, but so bet na feel of our dear Debbie. Omo bet me and Senaho to some your master sanction, so ever no more moya no moye. Jamino Castle and I'm counsel air call half and says, situation is still one of them.
Okay, enti for more mutie Adom FM so no say obese wo videos no of area ye kan how nsuo na ye wo ho a okọ Adom 106.3 page ewo Facebook ubetimi ho videos nyina terrible videos e dey Adom 106.3 page on Facebook na won so share videos ne bi but madam Tete enti enra enwumre asem no esi ye no because over 1,000 houses, not just a nipa a woman or a dorsal. Baby, I almost die, apart from a more where we for a quarter one chain, or more and what happened to them, and I in him.
And no more than to mean Chirano pay. Yes.
Hey. And I asked some Cassie and I'm is it, sir, not more? Prepare alternative way be in waiting. Say bibi say sia ye be you makwa na answer dey.
O se be bia ye wo be do issue na for communities in ya be bia ni how be you be bia be ka so you bia ko bia issue ata ho. And we just bringing them from the issue no aba be bia issue ni. As I say. Yenya baby assemblyman or honya baby e dey binumu buye but enu to me for mu nyina nipa kakra to me fire no omo maka na ye advice ye wo family member bi e wo baby ansio ni nkoya na wa konenchen na enne na ya baba hwesenia e hosenti na anope ye kwa hwesenia situation is still wo no anope
enti anope what's the plan not more plan and pay here then.
Yeah, call round. Now I call if you be a money ashe hawa damage no if be aquapa, then we take it from there.
Insure Chichiana like Sisia insure Tata Obio.
Actually, as I know, you may 9 something 10 I hear free or 9 soon chair but from to the level say one more that me as to stab you one more them able to start. So I'm nyoma na for nsuo mu amo to sa press you what say omo betumi atina ho abetima no pe ya.
And if you want to appreciate the situation more mutie ya where nsuo because me who in the videos they say bus kese pa nsuo na fa bus na maka bus na pampem keke na etete ho. It tells you the levels of the water any bresem and area where ni ewo pon katamanso anase wanda shaiman
and pon katamanso
it your first area ne saying
area is the need Dwaso kubekro number 2 Apollonia denu atadeka any other environs no yes Dwaso
enti then na account for this disaster they from initial checks no a man for necessary a die will be beyond so more than see. What's the problem? And then I account for Sadi.
After this time, they mean to me in case to say a way now cost because all I know is yes, it's damn and a pie. So after the dam no pie no, I can't spell now. This expert then we know where the problem is coming from.
A dam bear.
A dam a walk be crew number 2.
And what kind of dam, me pacho?
I say lagoon dams here be a wo. I shine my chrome webi.
Not more officer more hono, more staff strength, yes, saying.
Your staff strength. Yeah, 57.
57.
Into
this disaster, no, obviously, a bromo so me boy.
But we manage it. said that is how we manage it. And also, and our forces from region, national, all hands are coming on board. You know, we will handle it.
Okay, Madam Tete, my nasi, Bibiania, Yabesa Swafrel. It's a terrible situation from the videos I'm seeing, and the people involved, you know, at door. So, inti Munya di Mubeti Mibia to help a man for why me patch. Yeah, that's it. Inti Patience Tete, a deputy director of NADMO, Ewo Pong Katamanso, and Moten Kano. I don't know whether to say a hopeless situation, but said ya wakano, way a disaster and share that in see that because say dam no na ebu afaso anka menyini say yebehu baby say maybe omunya technical report na yehu what actually caused the problem but videos are mentioned there any
obi say no wo hwe industrial area dey ya ne ho flood na say
na no na
nye small
yeah be me Melcom Plus anim ho pa na
that's right ho no Melcom Plus anim ho na nye small utim say cars ni nyina memem na o say your problem or man kasi your problem every year ye beka so okay tetegu
yeah
kaswa area ho tetegu no tetegu Johnson abro bi ba fia hampo e beka say Chinese ni bi aba be si fi edan ye si street ni mu ama chese nsuo no to a ebufa wo mu fie nyina wo je oye no ho yiram ankosiaga ama nsuo eda so fa wo mu ho enti say o mine problem e wo no eye wo haw ni bebrebe eye sprinters dey na me kan ho baba jama ni fie echi pe
oh okay
the menino say wo na echi pe asam na me kan timi ato wo no ama aka kwan no fie bi e na aka e ba etimi ese bufa car no fechire kakra ansa na kofa ye betena ho no mahwa kopem se de beto wo mo awie ansa na anadwe me da ho nam se na no Dr. Baumia batabi issue ye si ye wo am se wo disaster fund o se de ye koma wo mu bi enti e wo se ye tran ma disaster no kra beto ye emre ye twa ho fund na ene so disaster they are natural ones no wo ho but ebin mo no DJ CJ
asa
obi ebinum ankasa adwuma ye de aso wo monsa so wo man etwia wo mka bosumi bia ma wo allowance ahodo a wo mo anya dwuma no ene de ya ba bedru ba bia ya ba bedru wo hwe se no a we de Melcom Plus you
okay Melcom
na obi nim say Matthew for senra ensuo no ye kan hia anto kese kura enrade ne kan
ene asem beba da bi
Matthew for de o mo kan no
but what person who Melcom Plus dey aye kan Adom 106.3 page on Facebook ubehu videos no Melcom Plus no of Canada ya na cars
ye droba ni na wadwin say wutu car na ensuo no de wo ne kan ni
we use salon car e bi dia wa so be
wo be ko ne da ho no CJ ni etimu no wa bran kran ha no nim say empanimfo no nim problem no yes odo na hwie say yetim na kaneshi wo da bia me ka me say kaneshi dwane da ho no eda gata so gata wasie
of course
yes o mutimu a obi etumi masan hwie yiri we no ekofom yemisa say metiofo no so mo advice empanimfo no in February bebi sa o mo say afi nhio no bekosen ena o mo kire o mo no o mo say eti gata ne niema na e wose ye no e wose ye ne sen ni nyina o mo de ho plans am o eti the question is o matitim won ade na wo ka say enkrabata ne ye bebre o man ne mpanimfo adwuma e wose o mo ye ne e de ball egu nhio obi ade ka ho town planningfo enti until so obi abe na famu de no ne ye hu obi ye be hu
afibia so ye betan aka
yenko da
ubonkranta nim na yenhwe
yenfa di Ghanaian Times nhyase abusuafo na soafo ye a wo hwe mayi sikasem so ne baage brown no enro de koye baage brown no na wa hye na ta ye white obofo enro aso de na nose mask na ka ho ni okodu ye no wo so ohia 27.4 billion Ghana cedis ya ye de bo abosome miensa afie besimu no wo se chese yenfa nhyase yemfa nhyase ma enema entumi nkoso na enne obi de obonkata no ba bia asem nyame de se nipa mienu aprosifo ato nsafre won
yeah
odododi omra shebedwani ani Edward Nilante Banaman
yeah
PCMPP yesi aprosifo so wo mmra no mo mechire na no ntokwa na ekoso no ase won ntokwa ni si a na boys ne ya chimienu ya chimiensa ba u frame penifo no a this is a solution mumra na mo mechirem Nilante kasa no my boys ni bana my kasa my boys who are your boys omadwuma ne saying yes mumra na mo mechirem eti no nya de bonkrata bia edem na papa ni minim ne dawo
papa de hin
Nilante Banaman no wahunda
oh yeah me hunda oh
he's a nice man no minim da no woman pa o
so once
oh yeah juma wo
premise
secretary premise for
secretary nice man muntumi juma chita afofo na Vanderpool so de ne se abutu na no wa munyina process for mo
de won so mo ye nuafo
no de ye fa ho eti muntumi nka amanfo mangum no mada mo ye nuafo amko
mo ye nuafo na no metie ni Banaman no ne press conference bi oye was say 2020 woman no they will not depend on police. Yes, meeting interview why press conference was so more independent on police one more kasa before more security into their own hands enti metro am say assemble ba de bi sa odododo na me ready aba ye ne be kwa akoto reporter ne be kwa akoto enti mame nso me fa the chronicle the Bokrata no ento so eno asa de o mensi kasam so fo ko mra sebedwam no eno wo de to dwa kire se for boga na ti so no mo bo aban ti so na baby edro de ye be ko hipik ko ya wasan bonus debi baby o man na dro no ya hipik woda ye chi kura hipik nka wo man ni sikasem hye ho baby a eno se wo mo o man no sikasem no mismanagement bia mamu wo matoto ne yie na mom covid ne ho ne ma ne ma bebubo mu nyina chi kura no enya ade a wo mo atoto o man ni sikasem ase a ebetumi apia o man no ede no akọ hipik sama na yeye enti social media for na no IMF womo report bi epieye na womo keka say Ghana be kwa hipik no se da oman no enko hipik biem na papa no reference senior minister
Osafo Maf ya Osafo Maf
Omafo Safo ya Osafo Maf nie eno wo se abaya bia nani kata nani fe utim sa abaya na edema no enso so kata nani fe ama viare eka twitwiri die ya nenka abanyuma kwa wodo na boto ho ministries ne wo mom keka ka ho fiafia wo nyina no abaya na timi atua na watimi atua ya kakra asa akota akire no eno se viare fo emfa wo munim die bebre bom wo no enya dwumaden sebe ya enyama hode ne de toma nkrofo ne ade nyina no eso bebe oman no mfaso ekane na fe ekabebrebe na ya na ebedura abay ekomu no ne nyina eso entumente na no so de ho samato na wo chese mantie mienu bi wo mo nso o de COP Kofi Boache Jimmy Kosi atade hye no ene o de ne mfoni no ene ne o de gi nkrofo sika twitwi die ntie ne okwa adan ya wo mo nam sa COP Kofi Boache so asie de sorry be de nyina piepim
nyamu wasem se wa nya obi ana Kofi Boache de ya
enti pa ne mienu no
ne wo asem
enti pa ne mienu no nua
afa president bia Kofi Boache
ya chiwom ya se Derek Akon ena wonye mfinsia aduenu enkron ena weni amedu ono so nye mfinsia aduasa mienu ena ne ya chi enti wo mo so be hye enti yekwa me de
ya de dispatch beto aso na dispatch ani masem eda ho no na asemu edu 200,000 abortions and you recorded here in 2017 200,000 we posa mensa na unim asa so ombo aka ho ana udi so udi bi ko
no 200,000 kwa conservative estimate o we kwa form
de na sesem me kromo area ho na mpie no
na unim ye kan say
ya unim say ye wo accredited facilities emrama won kwai mo ya abortions
exactly
in obehwe kwa we ye data from sa facilities in jomo ye yi ne ya akoto ejana bia ye yi dia akoto eno no mayo
si James Osufo
ba unim say
o say James Osufo no toilet
na unim enchichemu ewom enchichemu ni nie yes 200,000 abortions course in 2017 no emu 71% na enamra kwan so wusa abortion no ni enipa bi nim ne say utimi famra kwan so ya abortion oman no ayetim no emra ma ho kwan say anyinsen no ye wo kwan bi abetumi afa so no wayi egu
be no factors no because unim say no factors rape ka ho rape ka ho and ye hwe health condition tie even say doctor for ka say abayo ye ma ne kwan say onwo a I so in the health, rape, and some few factors. In the majority of us, and I say, man, say, who could not magistrate and I say, judge and any man, or my kind of
Professor Sai doing Professor Sai say, many panel on take it decision for the life.
Of course, who say in the US, no, abortion is a huge issue. In fact, every US election, abortion is one major issue. They were pro-life for, and it is I will be to say Kamala Harris running mate to Joe Biden. I think or a pro-life person. No, on your pro-life. Or you'll be on if say the woman should be allowed to take a decision for herself. In a minute, wasn't be decided. Absolutely, a major electoral issue. Abortion, economy, some human are major issues in the there be a more so a extremely conservative society.
Manifestos no so I can when near me.
Yes.
Oh, near me. We num say there be 71% illegal. Na enwo futu ampanimfo de abani. Wo mo sese nka ye modewuru mo obi anwu se wonyimu a wutumi ekọ wasem a beka nto asoma itumi yitugu ma wo
na asem na wo de ekọ ebeto asom no
eno na nka me makanya se nka momfamra because ni momfamra
ne se wutu nso kire wadwene
because really e ni oma me no e just the health issue and a rape anya sa de aka na issues when na de
be ni why be ma okwan
se one be ma kodai ba mu refi mo amo mo ho ban e na nyinsa abent ye ma okwan it will not suffice
ni aba ni say obi edoso edoso nti I think say the education ye ne mra no ye nhwe ni ye
e wo se edi hu nkomo 200,000 in 2 months
ebroso
200,000
etunya dispatcher the bonkrate ene wadi biaba afrosifo mpanimfo so say mo amaye madwen se mo bedi atwitwa sempa wo 2020 abatro no mo temu mo ahwe ya ye bebiri mo papa ye bebiri mo na no so de
behwom
ye bebom
by election be a course ododo for kro ya ye Frisa na asamaye madwene se sam potemo pa
e honso na ye dwen ho se de obekwa
koto me kose
na wo hibio na wo se
e hwa na ye dwen ho se de obekwa
chale
ododo ndi start prepare
free na ekwe marisa ashemu
amena masekia ene ekua we ekua ne ekua ene wo de naposo ebremo Dwaso Nsem so ne high Adom 106.3 FM unim I would insurance obi o ufrifie akọ insurance company one office akwa insurance na adwuma den but my way amana is simple amount and utifie the comfort of your home and office ubetimi on your phone na when your insurance product ebetimi abonti ye ba bedi hu nkomosisi a ansana ya makwan Adom Sports page 1 no etumi ababa. Imagine having a soundtrack that simply reflects your mood every day of the week. Now imagine getting money every week just because of that song. Amazing, right? Well, thanks to MTN, you can win up to 1,000 cedis weekly, 4,000 cedis monthly, and the grand prize of 15,000 cedis with the MTN CRBT promo. Just download your favorite song via any MTN Caller Tunes channel, copy a caller tune or renew your existing caller tune and win big because we are good together. Send START, S-T-A-R-T, START to 1355 or dial star 1355 hash, star 1355 hash to subscribe today. Terms and conditions apply. We there for you, MTN, everywhere you go. And UMB in Susamimfa ento menim And the message is simple. I say, dear valued customer, thank you for choosing UMB as your most trusted and preferred banking partner. Your unflinching support and loyalty to us over the past 48 years has allowed us to bring you superior banking services while digitizing your experience with our suite of wonderful products and services, including the convenient UMB Speed Up, our range of UMB Visa and Union Pay debit cards, and our internet banking platforms. And because we value you more, let us focus on giving you many more years of seamless and delightful banking while you focus on staying safe by observing all the COVID-19 health and safety protocols. We look forward to serving you with speed, SPEED, because you deserve it. Sincerely, UMB. And UMB a universal merchant bank. It is said Munshan and so Emfa my Dwaso Nsem high Adom 106.3 FM. Ora Benjamin Nketia, Assistant General Manager, Business Development at My Life Insurance, and Victor Agrifin, Assistant General Manager, Operations, My Life Insurance. Anyone in Incommotoni and Dwaso. In Benjamin Mamunia Kwaba, Boko there.
Yeah, Minia.
Apomoye.
Apombo, Yadom,
Ekoyi.
Papa,
My Life, Mujina Monaiso.
Papa,
Okay, and Victor, you are Victor.
I'm Victor.
Okay, you are Victor and a Benjamin. And a Benjamin in Ketia. Okay, Benjamin in Ketia reminds me of a name, it was City FM, Benjamin in Ketia, sports presenter was City. We are related, and coincidence of name.
Ghana, you be
wow. Enti ma yen shasi ni enkomo General Manager Business Development Benjamin Nketia my way den
medase and michia wetiefo nyina.
Yes.
You can't my way a product my life any MTN I can't boom ediamba.
Oh,
a product ben insurance product. Say Oshe TV ahodo eka Adom TV ho a Betty say Nana McBrown
yes,
or advertise it my way.
Yes.
Or Kenny in area do the so and say enye my way a kase no way say my way dear.
Wow.
Let's say insurance I be toll phone so nko dia
kase no way
the here and say ubenya phone
mobile phone
and they say yamo say cheapo say they bad deal and one say mobile phone and one say we rain fee number way da *165#
star 165 hash
and one no make us say it here phone tie me na so one phone see now one dial
star 165 hash
minua won be hu say screen dey bia ma aka tell say welcome to My Way Insurance.
Okay, so welcome to My Way Life Insurance for you and the loved one. Number 1, terms and conditions. Number 2, register. And number 3, exit.
And one, and to be a more simple. Say, and there we are dreading.
Yes.
We are Juma or him fa. Say, be our missing wabuso, can be beer will be a. So, person we insurance the mount and no duffel back one.
Yes.
Munina market and near back up. Wo yen di obetua no e cover nipa foforo so kan ho.
Oh, okay.
Sika opese wutua no your benefit for how nsa beka. Enti fan say bakoso obetumi tua 360 pesos a month, whole month to minia. Enye ebia one day.
Just 3
whole
cities.
month 360 pesos. Se ko ba se wo ho ka. Ananse obia wo ye man ne ho ka. E be ma 1000 Ghana cedis. Into your range from 3 cities 60 pesos, 6 cities 60 pesos, 9 cities 60 pesos, 12 cities 60 pesos, and the grand one here 15 cities
60 pesos.
So we have 15 cities 60 pesos now. A cover ni paba ko kan free. 15 cities 60 pesos now why no. Bosom ba ko petwem na e bia wo ma me na cover na kan ho. Ana wunua, ana wukunu, ana wo yere, ana mpo ba. Necessarily we fima. My Life Bemao 50 million Kanisicano
50 million.
50 million.
Seriously?
No crana
50 million.
50 million.
It is a mere 16 city 60 pesos, a 15 city 60 pesos.
Yes.
Now metia for just even 1 month.
1 month.
Now bibi esia. I'll get that amount.
You get that amount.
Wow.
Enya nipa no nko asa wankasa so e na wo fi ma. You betua ma obi a odi ne gina ye. So emuda ho.
Next of kin.
Yes, some 15 cedi 60 pesos no. E cover ni pa mienu into total sum assured in there. And yet 50 million pill. Muka mu mienu ndi eboma. A total sum assured of what?
100 million.
Because we are paying that
15 cedi 60 pesos.
Unya we will be bia. I just said my life. For.
Wow, but that's really interesting. And it is me family phone na say 3 cedi 60 pesos. And I made to me say bibi eto me 1,000 Ghana cedis. Pink and crying.
So 60 pesos na bibi to 2,000. Utia 9 cedis 60 pesos na bibi to 3,000. And I say utia 12 cedis 60 pesos na bibi to 4,000. For the Mumienu no multiply that by 2.
Wow. Victor, no, and how does this work? But I think Ben actually how a year Jumani meaning say Oja Bibi Oma person with the camera. Yeah.
And fear will be the answer will be to me away. No. So 18 to 59.
18 to 59.
That's how we are.
And so what to me I join
Momo.
Okay.
So MTN now I register o Momo so.
Yeah.
Because you tiscan free mobile
money wallet. So.
And now dofu na o de ne beka ho no. Ono so ne mfie say we dey 18 to 74.
To 74.
Ese mutu na sebe mu wo apomuden. En ye obi a sebe obi a oda ho a akakakre bi da hoko na o de ne beto so. And na ese muti Ghana. So Ghana ye wo ha residents in Ghana. Nti eno ne nhihye no. Ofa phone now *165# one kasa obiti bia a register bon say MTN platform so edu din a wo de register wo momo no wallet no ebeba wo be confirm na wa select the opesa wo ye say wo pe 3 cedi 60 pesos a month say wo pe 6 cedi 60 pesos a month one kasa wo be chere say wo pe 15 cedis ni so 60 pesos a bosumi bia na wa fa
me star 165 no and I am 3 options say them they can 2 no register in me bo 2 and about your name or say bonso Philip into the media aba and I say you should be between 18 to 59 years. You and your family member are in good health as of now. Into 1 year confirm, 2 year cancel. Into Uber confirm now then you are good to go
with them. Now we put our boy what feel say adi ya de papa mo start ye bia na ye ohun ran kakra wo pese obi bua abaye machine so nti ye wo number bia ye wo sales telesales team mo te wa ye training mo ka kasa horo organ ha bebre say ye twi na pese o kasa ye gan na pese o kan obi be frel ebetimi aboa ma wewie so what started that we wie po a obetimi aboa ma wewie process no numbers a omo de be frel no eja wa onim say ya no ebi mu aba omo frefre fraud mobile money ne ade nti de bia MTN kasa yemfa ye number ye de frɛ ye clients ne ntudwa obi afra dom say we de na ma say enye my way akasa no it dem number omo de be frel no 024 24 39 999
okay so subi o my
024 243 9999 tu we pene oni se we the MTN for age atum esi obwa we select wa da obeye no we so yetimi the savings
okay
yetimi the savings nti wo ye insurance yetimi ka se bosu me bia me the 20 cedis ebesie isi chi ba ne de variations on body be be kan wa that you betimi wa betimi at any time wo chire wa betimi kwani we ye ba beto mobile money no so unko bibia o utu dem na wa ye we na so the whole fine and she said
that's really interesting. I mean using technology to solve amount problems are more and we are very easy.
And numbers
yeah.
Second one so I bet me a friend and you see 055
okay
25 71 999
who actually from Mike Niti Bra Mike and Sisubio
055
yes
25 71 999
okay
san number we so betimi afro from your telesales center one be boa ama wankasa wa bibia na wankasa wuria na wudo wankasa wo pin no ahye so wa phone so won fa wo pin mo bia wo de be hye so
phone
no authorize na chese we did dash na started
ye
here na say every month bia wo be jasika e wo momo wallet
so wo betimi active
that's nice one betting automatically amount akabe say 2-3 days ama deduction time aso no ubenya message say deduction time be so and say woni ska wallet ni so a fato so on betia ma fefe. That is how simple we've made.
Meaning say one other thing I be na person mo te withdrawal and a claims process in say in the city, but before that no must start promo be 200,000 customers, that's a 200k customers promo there
and sign everybody reduce na nipa one year policy bia every month won to from active customers.
Yeah.
198,000. You start here the way yeah no for 2019.
Jim FM.
And now no nipa abaso no 198,000. I can nipa 2,000 per near hit 200,000. And anything you see a year promotion of 200,000.
200k. Okay.
And it's our promo no every week be a be chande. Every week be a be phone. Na ya che.
Wow.
Na na ma she be put the page. No she be o. And yet my way I said no we don't na na ma she be o fe. Na promo be end next month 15th. I be grand one.
Okay.
Enti ye catch ru bia won so that den benya chede. And won ba so foforo no so no wo mu no bi no be dey. Benya chede. Enti ye stress obia amfa ne ho ye den.
Emeshim.
Say obeye claim a o mba your office o there be u phone na so na obeye claim o select claim na the person o ye o ho no why so we savings crowd so na say o person o yi sika ne bia wankasa o kɔ ho no betumi yi sika no sika do person o yi no e ma o kwan we bia e beto wa o mo wallet no
okay
into we de untu na nsi bebia na o
kese bebia so
won say me nkɔ na me mra o china de bi wa phone now de bibia
very simple
she say ya ma insurance are simple say
life insurance made
simple him phone what to him phone put me nya insurance obi mba emeka bibi insurance no aka say de o te ye na ye no kra de wo hu ni nyina no phone ni so pepe no aye obi bia we check yira wo da so record into obi bia enjira ma ne nye I am simple. For
but Mama Victor, the final word. Victor, ain't final message I would
final message ne say your existing clients we 200k promo moka ho wa wo so dadado kai say ye tisika every month it is usika new wallet so for usika ne to so na yentimente wo so awo ho a wo nka ye ho no but star 165 hash on MTN Momo star 165 hash MTN Momo na register na so benya achedi bi na bo ho ban esechi ba de yema hina ese hina ntina ye den a ye ja more na ye ni ana de to be emfa futui no onye action no now men ye mboto ho ye nesesi a na beboa
star 165
hash.
And then you follow the prompt. You are good to go. My name Victor Agriffin, Assistant General Manager Operations, My Life Insurance. Benjamin Nketia, Assistant General Manager Business Development, My Life Insurance. And I'm Wonka. See anyone aiding. Inform me the money now.
That's it.
Super. Dwaso Nsem Suni Hi Adom 106.3 FM. I'm now to see a day Adom Sports page 1. Ebetua Moso. Kobe Stone or come and cry, draw enyon, ayakado, the sports no etra, we need your sabon so, everything about after the sports. Good morning.
Jim FM.
Uti, England board no a different no. England board no a different no. What I say? It's Messi Galibel, Suarez, and Ronaldo. So much minya sanko for me and sa. Na mfa so kokofa players papa bia na de ba obetika wo kofa la ko uti England board no e different no England board no e different no what I say it's Messi Galibel Suarez and Ronaldo so mutimi nya sanko for mi ensa na mfa so kokofa players papa bia na de ba obetika wo kofa la ko kubaya omode ne ko omanya mfa so
Adom Sports number one.
All right,
Alright, abusia ya mo ache ne ya samo akwaba edipa Adom 106.3 FM kasa fidie so ene anopai emra so agudie mo nsem ena sabre yade eno so etoa so ede amawo coach Siki akono honkomo ene ewa ha ade eno eba bedan wo sanso ena Bernard Dombote Ainfa ena domote eshe ene ode enkomo akra epa yade eno so yetimi ede abro ama wahunu shede hihye no esi fatie Ghana versus Sudan enkomo no ayede yepa unim se omo AFCON qualified gamer ese omo etimi epo referees ben ena eba beginemo ena no pay womo so eho enkomo ewo hanoma yade eno so yade ebro na se womo ene enkomo bebrepe ena no pay abopo ano se Adom sports page 1 yade ni nyina yade ebro enra unim se UEFA Champions League matches etutoja na enya dia eda form Chelsea the Blues emwa de papa enra heboa Chelsea boy pa and afi Manchester United na enya dia eda form and I pay Betway for the love of the game Betway for the love of the game na se agro no hodo ntini na pay yeguso I den komano yade ebro sima aduonu 20 after 8 itia na wasene so e de amame se yatena se a ye bon petim wadre enso ade amawo betway.com.gh and afi MTN womu ade apa my MTN application mesira o download na the go phone so a womu se bebo adwumaden pa enso etimi ade amawo the easiest way obesani obiska osi mesira sa no ma we enfa so ni nyina eye besia wo boy e wo MTN ho na wontua ye na MTN still wo huna mmobro wo so de sa na ye de senete obedi akakra bi na watua ni nyina de yetimi akonkoden e de akoye ne enti the easiest way obetimi de abobesia e de asani momo no eye my MTN application no eno NSA utimi e download amponse for the aba F-Pack bro shopping away eya no beko amodem beba F-Pack ena uhia se ena no pay onso ubetime ayusubi Bet Planet tie eno matches no ene said the results no koye na wa said so say ene matches aka no Bet Planet ene yecha esanse Europa League there eno ene Bet Planet ana pay make one sem e de actual Sevilla eno omo se Rennes e kaba kwa womo antime antie ena fe eye Manchester United eno womo so echi RB Leipzig abo meka enum womo antime antibi Juventus etna eye Italy ema FC Barcelona ekwocha ne kamienu a wantime ansimu ajei ena fe ukoma nese Borussia Dortmund omre Zenit St Petersburg omo game no so no ya dese 2-0 ena ko Edmund Dortmund Club Brugge omo ene eye Lazio ekwati penkro 1-1 ena fe Chelsea ekwase Krasnodar eka enaya womo antime antibie Paris Saint-Germain nese PSG womo so no etime bon modem pa etwa eye Besiktas ekamienu ema womo so antime antibie nese wey ene said enrada enoma so ekoya mede ehonkomo ejao ewo UEFA Champions League nimo ama ene onso sadia ehonkomo esifa etie mayenkom na fe yewrom kakra ewo eye ene Europa League paso entiana wasene so ade amam se o hihye bet na eno ne se obepiemo ewo Bet Planet omu aso ye Bet Planet na se www.betplanet.com na se no ewie pay pa enso ade ama anopaya meka ehwasem ede atwose bomode ada se utwa na watwane sanse unya twanko ade a onso ubedi eye www.betplanet.com.gh deposit 20 Ghana na fe obejoine eye promotion package a omuso ade aba na fe de biada no sa golden goal anei omode apa no oya onso no watimi ediscan bi na ode gu ho na AC Milan ene Sparta Prague ena airport eno eye match ba kwanu se Europa ne ya na matches ne bebrebe ena eno ewomo sanso ena Arsenal ene Dundalk ena airport AZ Hakman ene eye Rijeka airport AS Roma ene eye CSKA Sofia ena omonso ebetimi ede apoeni na se matches ne bebrebe nyame atuma yebekom na yede ehonsam so no yetimi ede abro afemi yenku enime ewo eye the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana team no aso eye nyanko said ene enoma esifa etia CK akono head coach edema team no ane oguso ehwenim so betonsa ede afa players bi na Ghana versus Mali Sudan game no ababa so no wɔn nso atumi abegyinam abom homɔden paa ɛno ɛna ne ukoma CK kasa ɛde fa players a wɔhwɛ anim sɛ wɔbɛtumi ato nsa de from ɛne the old guys a ɛnɛ yi yɛbɛhwɛ no na ɔmo ɛni team ne mu no.
A very fresh squad. I was able to explain 1 or 2 reasons that some of these, at least few guys, are more team that are like the likes of Wakaso. The reasons are only there were a lot of reasons, and these reasons, it's up to us, the technical team structure, the way we think. Of course, the coming match against Sudan, because of this good friendly match, there's a different way I will approach it, different way I will share it. Of course, some of these guys are known name. There's a possibility. I'm not saying there's a possibility they can join.
Wei nkoma na sika kono ena wadi wenso tuja nano ena ukoma na se coach Ebenezer Sefa wono coach atum sampa eba ne se yen scout players wono so edimuntintima pa ena ne wadi tuja se sika kono enhwe ne yepa se local coaches no local players womo eba be league nase no womo timi ema sika headache esanse players ono ankasa wadi nani afam na wo hwe se dia preparation ahead of the league ne there na say your players wo memu pa.
I say players no try say you good to go. I'm on train e ma friend e kase bia national team call up bi na ya bi anase home based player bi na ya friend e say be bia obobo memu ha bia no bo home modern kwa dia the national team coaches needs to call you no mo frau ya say mom headache so just say I say mom headache so akwa bro sha ko star players ya Muhammad Ogana hasi en ko Ogana hasi na oni ni fia unya headache u player we invite no a oni ti kro ni me bro tia but don't tell man ni do ni me bro tia unya headache je na benya ti sika nya headache obenya say ni de migraine obenya bro sa headache dey be say as now how many days to go for the Sudan game you tell you ana me but no ana mo discuss say be a covid na so say o pele kwa say be na covid na players no go take no omo munya no be inform clubs no so mo release players you have a pool of players in the ball Sudan and your friend is South Africa no say no players say no you know be gidi say obie nani no obie na so a adwuma no beko tin.
Wei ene ensama coach Ebenezer Sefa ena wade tuja futua wade ema players no ena fesika kono ena yade ehon komanso yade eja no na se ene ukoma CAF mpanifo appointed Senegalese referees omo ena nyame aduma omo betime abegyinamo na chese bibia nso atime awiepeyo na se eye Maguet eye Ndiaye from Senegal wono ena be handle Ghana's eye 2021 African Cup of Nations qualifier ebetime apo against Sudan nyame aduma mpanifo for so chese samach no ebeba so our Cape Coast November 12 na se Thursday and no so no ebetimi atodwane empenfo ede eye refisa omo fi Senegal abase omo so emehwe na samach no entimi entodwa yan ntie se 4 pm na omo hwanim se sa game no so ebetimi abaso arpay yede ehon komo yede eno so yede eja ama onso wahunu seden sise no esifa etie mayemowremo akumase asante kotoko womu asoye na OSD chede na se Yusuf Mubarak wono ene ne wade etuja se wo peke Asante Kotoko over South African club ni nyane se ne nhwehye ene targeta wo ni swade huna esina ni so edema Kotoko no ade a esunye pa enu nti ene nei ebetodwa se ko mfana ni enchiem e South Africa no wo se da bi obetina omemo na wasi akan ede ama Asante Kotoko e wo this season a eba abetodwa yenche nsema Mubarak Yusuf wono ede etuja
from the CEO by South African club by almost bigger than that club. That's why I joined this club. No, it's not about scam. Was always work with my young club like in New Kakraka, Bedroom, Neskanai, Kaba. The Bobo SA like Gerard Piquet. Was a passing word, maybe pass it too much. It's an style of place. In every angle, we are in because me, in terms of our former because we are so I don't have a problem, such areas.
Wey Nsema Yusuf Mubarak Kumase Asante Kotoko one player ena wade nsem we etu jano Bernard Domote unim say formally no sinaka edmaphobia never say that until the bones are rotten and the nim hodie na Domote ejina ho na otwa ne petim wadre sana na nim say enoma ewie pepa ede amano na according to Domote no o say enei wono any the right man obetimi asovo Kumase Asante Kotoko Africa trophy omojibi ache na omo henim se ometimi agibi no Domote ese wono ene obia obetimi aboa
one year place we as a coach no that place we are marathon no say na be asise mo we are coach and the players no what material no team like Real Madrid Zidane no wabobo no bida okita materials no the players are use that a coach now what top place we tell players are use and I say go now move on and lock down ribano na kutoko perfect on the side grass of 2-1 e wa kra tikotoko team na perfect but this I say lock down whereby players no how they treat themselves but trust me and then me catch them genti akotoko qualify say obeko akobo Africa obetu we akomo ni zone obedu finals so for to me qualified beyond me champion and Dombote say obeba be coach kotoko aji Africa kotoko Africa mu Africa no champion and Dombote ni kwa kotoko be faso aji Africa Dombote ni kwa asofu be faso aji Africa ntene ni di tuga Ghana ni di tuga so mu jindia ni jidi say Dombote be so kotoko mu say kotoko be Champions League
Bere Domote ene wakasa se mudie munjinia Monfa Kumasi Asante Kotoko team ne mano na ubehu sampa kotoko ene eko akwaji CAF Champions League edia bano na se nim die ewo coach mu ayadia ewo suru bebrebe echen coach sa ene omo na kita Asante Kotoko boboko no eno ayensema Bernard Domote wode etuja ma yemfi kotoko ne mfe ni enchemo ewo phobia never say die until the bones are rotten na womo so no onim se be se na woche miensanie ena player bia wo unity Ali Hashim woni team no aye training sa enrada ene betoja set player no akosan ediama Accra Lions na se enye de se wotimi esane bobokwa eno hasofoka wonom training na coach Edwardni Odum na ni abresen kobema branche watimi gina mu asia kan ma hom na wo recommendation edema management se momoyen sem players se board ye woni mbono eno etie na so akopie mo ewo Accra Lions na no ene ewuram kakra ene yebusa no se ene tie de ntia ene wotimi kopie mo ewo Accra Lions asye no
but me am 2 years at the Accra Lions
na be 3 weeks ni house of folk and I know aye training from day one eba ne say all of a sudden wakopie mo Accra Lions yi
say like me no na yesterday trials is like coaching selected players be mo say on be join the senior team and me come and the one training in media like on my friend manager no makatani say ni semba meni asema mokai
and today say house of no anya ntem entina ma wakosandi ama Accra Lions no ba wankasa no na unya house anka obebo ana
as na pesa member pound because na makuma because many players in me now were free. Yeah, me call no say no mo dey media go ni yeah mingle no. Example like my power pa jamu family say oh like yeah na back home. Back training no ma be funny. Na have training. It's like I was used to them. So like I wanted to play for us. It was in my heart to play for them. So I didn't know what came up. And all of a sudden, things went the other way around.
Wey ene and someone opening wade etu Janese Ali Hashim wono a player ne wakopie mo ewo Accra Lions 2 years contract and was signed here na nim say player no nanka open for ehwenim so besia kan ede ama eye phobia and wentimi anko o say enye sebe bo apayo and wade ejane or a professional player enti wonne bibia ebeka so wonko no eho eno beko
me season we me say like na training had ni na maboa ni uti wa makwa join no na like First Division League, no member Mona. Yeah, qualified to Premier now. Actually, as you say, like Mizu, no talent, but say like Obian woman or Periasum. Now, as what Makumem Pans and President has pan, but like unfortunately, idea by things went down.
We and Sama Ali Hashim 20 years and our branch wadie at a sene walk Kusiakan Edama Accra Lions and no one Kramenwaya Nessa Division 1 club and they are and also Como Yadi Ejano Martinwa Masa and Nenumre UEFA Europa League no matches no Dutwana and Ebetime Atoja Ma Yenya no Suna and they and Koma Audio Popuano Yefa AC Ohanum Namea Duma and Numre Yabesapa not non somba Yadi Adom Sports a year pay 2 Yadi and also Etime Edia Pro. And pay Owandasia Fema betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh and sports piano ubetimi abete say a football say a basketball say a horse racing ninya no oko betway asya enye football nko na omu ewo options no edoso ntide bia no utwa na utwa ni ye nko ade a nso bedi amana koye enso ede ama nemom kai say obebet responsibly undi mfisha edun watchen so dia na say betway enya de so betimi ede ho agim esansem no ka say Gaming Commission of Ghana and omu ajiatuma anopay yenso ye ka wansem ede acho no MTN was say everywhere you go na say bia wonambia no MTN and medi wadas here ede amawo my MTN application e ya de ba ko a wo download di edugu phone so a ebetimi aboa pa na eno so no etimi akonkan e honom amponse fa ede apa FPAC blows your pain away e ya no be ko anwodem be pa e ya do ba ko e na wo hia sanso e na BX tablet eno so oyade na ho etowa na wape edrebi enremi enu nyina no ye won krade eho enti woto no na so atobi ede so de amakra no se ne hunu esonso se ne nompemu ebeye den no ye no way ene betimi aboa ama omunso no etimi adiomo ho Bet Planet na se obetia na wabeti ni yepa betting companies no omodoso nemum de ase di wada se ma no ene na no pay make am wasem ede acho no www.betplanet.com.gh misro anopay deposit 20 Ghana cedis na her promotions awdo a womo asise womo promotion page ene ukowa golden goal e ya de ba kwa eno e sonko e wo Bet Planet de bia no nso obetimi ediska e wo sere hihye esifa ekoyemo enrada no bia nim se Marcus Rashford obefi bench no obehye goal na no sa golden goal no usika e befu enyade a obetimi edi awieda eno e Bet Planet ena no pay me de ehwadase me de ejao yenyina no so na anopen komawdo a ye popo aye no yemfa eno so ensi ewa hanom na bibia so no entimi enwie peyo enso eho enfama Mr. Kofi Ado Ejekum na wochi awieye ena omame eye Felicia akosua ejakobia ye pene krabre ewo begro na enano pay yese nyamenka ho na wonyo kese pa Mr. Kofi Ado Ejekum of eye Kofi Chrome Pharmacy nyamenka ho na wonyo kese Saturday yenyina ebeba na ye de support no e de abetechi sebea ebetimi ape mame so krabre kama na no so no etimi awie peyo elhonom happy birthday enko enfama eye Lauren Opon of Bubuashi we more blessing ena se etwenwa enya dia eda form na nyamenka ho na wonyo kese enso elhonom na se bibia so ekoye from Iowa 05 and wono so edisa message no wode elpo euroma ye kan wasem ede achewo yenyina so ni mfensi enwumrei no nsombo a ye didaka ebe sanda bro. Rise